I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your device is rooted and Zarchiver has storage permission. Next, open your root manager, for example Magisk, and verify root is active for system apps. Once done, launch Zarchiver, grant any requested permissions, and navigate to the top-level file system. Make sure to avoid random system edits immediately. First, create a backup of any file you plan to modify so you can restore if needed. With Zarchiver open, go to the root directory and inspect /system, /vendor, or /data. If you need to write changes, remount the partition as read-write through a root-enabled terminal or a file manager that can change mount flags. Zarchiver itself can copy and replace, but usually relies on underlying mount state. Once remounted, copy the target file to a safe location, edit locally, then use Zarchiver to replace, ensuring you keep original ownership and permissions so the system remains stable. To finish, after replacing or editing files, restore correct file owner and permission bits, then remount the partition read-only to avoid accidental corruption. Reboot the device so the system loads changes. Check the app or service you modified to confirm success. If something goes wrong, immediately restore the backed up files from your copy or boot into recovery to flash a working image. One key troubleshooting tip: if boot fails, use recovery to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.